Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making instant snacks. Boiled potatoes. Mash the potatoes with the help of strainer. Mash like this. Silky smooth texture of potato. Now add salt as per taste. Pepper powder 1 tablespoon. Onion powder 1 tablespoon. Corn flour 1 cup, half cup. Mix everything. Now add milk 4 tablespoon. Mix like dough. Roll like this. This is perfect consistency. Oil for frying. Fry on medium heat until crispy. You can make any shapes. Just roll it and fry. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Try to avoid packed food. It's not good for kids. It's so easy. Peri peri on top, optional. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.